ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 Group B Match number 38 Sri Lanka vs Zimbabwe. Match played at R. Premadasa Stadium, Colombo, Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka won the toss, elected to bat first. Sri Lanka 20 overs 178 runs, lost by 7 wickets. Pathum Nishanka is the highest scorer, 62 runs, 41 balls. Then Zimbabwe team best bowling spell. Graham Kimar, 4 overs, no maiden, 27 runs, 2 wickets taken. Zimbabwe team 19.3 overs, 182 runs, lost by 4 wickets. Brian Bennett is the highest scorer, 63 runs, 48 balls, not out. Then Sri Lanka team best bowling spell. Donit Wallace 4 overs, no maiden, 27 runs, 1 wicket taken. Zimbabwe won by 6 wickets in this match. Player of the match Sekandar Raja. Congratulations Zimbabwe cricket team.